You've probably heard about alkaline water, but do you know exactly what it is? Alkaline water has a higher pH than normal drinking water, but why is that beneficial? Hey everybody, welcome to Health Yourself. Today we're going to go over the top 5 reasons why you need to start drinking alkaline water. Make sure you watch until the very end to discover how alkaline water will help remove toxins out of your body. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we upload new videos. In alkaline water, the alkaline refers to its pH level. The pH level is a number that measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is on a scale of 0 to 14. Anything with a pH of 1, for example, would be very acidic, and anything with a pH of 13 would be very alkaline. Standard potable water typically has a pH of 7. Usually alkaline water has a pH of 8 to 9. When your body is in a state of alkalinity, it can have amazing health benefits. Number 1. One of the major benefits of alkaline water is its use to detox the body. We detoxify our body to eliminate regular acidic waste products produced every day and eliminate from your body contaminants produced in your blood, prescription medications, artificial foods, and from the usual aging cycle. Acid waste collected through the body can lead to more severe health conditions. Toxins are the number 1 cause of aging. Sometimes they result from poor nutrition, pollution, and stress. Toxins can build up in your body and cause damage to cells that lead to premature aging. Number 2. One of the best things you can do for your body is to keep it hydrated. The average adult human body is 50 to 65% water, so we need to keep hydrated. This is fundamental for maintaining or regaining optimum health. During ionization, alkaline water forms water into microclusters that are easier to absorb at cellular levels, making your body super hydrated. Remember, water is how your body builds cells. Number 3. Antioxidants are the perfect way to combat the toxins and detoxify the body. Alkaline water serves as an antioxidant, hunting for toxic free radicals and neutralizing them. This will effectively neutralize and prevent free radical damage to the body because alkaline water has the potential to give up electrons. Ionized alkaline water absorbs free radicals and converts them into oxygen that can be used by the body to generate energy and oxygenate tissues. Cancer, like most other diseases, cannot survive in an alkaline, oxygenated environment. Number 4. It balances your pH levels. The body continuously attempts to preserve the blood's alkaline balance. However, if the body is too acidic to maintain the balance, it puts stress on certain parts of the body. An acidic body can cause many health issues, including disease, cell malformation, and acid reflux. Most diets today are composed of acidic foods, and therefore mitigating acid by drinking alkaline water is very important. Mineralized alkaline water neutralizes the acid levels in the body and thus regulates the pH levels. Number 5. Lastly, did you know you can give your body's immune system a giant boost just by drinking alkaline water? I know, it's crazy. By holding the body in an alkaline state regularly, you'll get a stronger immune system. Drinking mineralized alkaline water improves pH levels and helps fight free radicals, all in which are very critical in maintaining overall health and keeping the immune system functioning optimally. It's that simple. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips and much more.